Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. And if you haven't seen my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, I'll leave a link in the top right there. But this is going to be a quick setup video that will apply to all the S22 models. So right from the regular one, the Plus and the Ultra. We're going to go ahead and show you how to set it up. So once you've unboxed your phone, all you need to do is power it on by holding the power button on the side there, and you'll be greeted by the welcome screen. Now you can go ahead at this point and install your SIM if you want to, but you don't need to do that to set up the phone. So all you need to do is power it on. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen that scrolls through some different languages. We'll go ahead and press start. You can see there you can insert a SIM card if you want to connect to a network. Scroll down to your language and country, so in my case English United Kingdom. Hit next. Then you have a few different things to agree to, so you see you have to agree to this top one, but then the other two are optional, so I'm not going to accept them, and hit next. Then you have a few different permissions, so these you might want to leave on, so things like nearby devices to scan for them and share information, and then allowing your location, access to folders, things like that. So I'd recommend leaving most of these on and agreeing to that. Then you need to go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi. You can skip this if you want, but it's recommended to do that so you can connect and download any updates. So I'll go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi now. And there we go, it should just connect in a second. There we go, connected, and it's just going to check with the service provider. So we'll give it a few minutes there. Okay, so it's saying it needs to restart to set up a few features, so we'll go ahead and hit restart and come back once it has restarted. Alright, so it restarted and we're back up and running. So it's giving me the option now to transfer apps and data. So if you have a previous Android phone or an iPhone, you can download apps or connect your phone and it will transfer everything across. In my case, I don't want to do that. I'm going to set it up as a new phone. If you do, you can hit next, but in my case, I'm going to hit don't copy. And then it's checking info. This is most likely for a software update. So if there is one, it will go ahead and download it. In that case, there wasn't. Now it's asking to sign into Google. So if you have a Google account, you can go ahead and sign in and be able to access the Play Store, YouTube, download, your contacts, everything like that. So if you have one, you can go ahead and hit sign in there. I'm going to hit skip. And you can see here everything it's telling you about downloading apps, music, games. So we'll go ahead and hit skip for now. Then again, asking for location and scanning. So this is for Google services. So you can see everything here. So you can leave those two on, I would recommend. Then you have the sending diagnostics. So I'm going to switch that one off and then hit accept. So you can customize all of these things and change them later on if you do want to later on change them. Then your search engine, so you can choose any one you want. In my case, I'm going to choose Google, hit next. Protect your phone, so this is where you can set up the different options to log in. So you have facial recognition, and that's just using the 40 megapixel camera. So it's not going to be super secure. I'd recommend going with the fingerprint. You also then have the pattern, PIN, and password. So we'll go ahead and set up the fingerprint, and you can see here, giving you some information and tips. We'll go ahead, hit continue. You do need to set a pattern, PIN, or password. So we'll go ahead and do a PIN and just do that for now. So anyone that wants to try and break in, they can. And there you go, that's set up. And then you can set up your fingerprint. So I'm going to go ahead and do my right thumb here. And you can see you just have to place your thumb or finger on the scanner. And you can see it's being a bit fussy. You just have to keep doing that until it scans all of your thumb or finger. Again, it's not being particularly happy when I'm trying to do this. There we go. And then you have the option to add another one if you want. So if you want to add your other thumb, a finger, you can do that all at once here or later again in settings. But I'm going to hit next for now and give it a few minutes here to get ready. Okay, so what after was really a few minutes, so don't worry, it just takes a while there. We now have the option to sign into our Samsung account. So again, because this is a Samsung phone, you have some crossover between the Samsung account and also Google. So if you have a Samsung account, you can go ahead and sign in now. That'll give you access to the Galaxy Store, the auto-filling with Samsung Pass, and finding this phone. So if you have a Samsung account, I recommend either signing in now, or if you don't have one, signing up, because you get some good features. But we'll go ahead and hit skip for now. You can tell you everything you're missing out on. So as I said, you've got the Samsung Pass, the Samsung Health, Find My Phone, Spotify, Bixby, which again, not many people use, but if you want to sign in, do that then. And there we go, that's all set up. You can hit finish, and we should be presented on the home screen. Give it a second, and there we are. There's the home screen. So that was how to set up the Samsung Galaxy S22. This is specifically the Ultra model, but it will be the same for all the models from the regular through to the Plus and the Ultra. If you have any questions on how to set up the phone or on the Galaxy S22 series in general, do post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful or enjoyable, do please hit that like button down below. It really helps out the video and the channel. And if you're not already subscribed, get subscribed over there on the left for upcoming videos on the S22. There'll be lots coming in the near future. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.